When you have uneven teeth, you generally ashamed of smiling in public. But with this technological advancement, you can see in the video the doctor is applying a glue type material which is made up of calcium and phosphorus. This stingy material generally set and get fixed within a second. You can see doctor is also applying a shiny material to shine the teeth like it looks like natural. Even these dentists play an important role in the society. They generally restore the smile on the face of the people who generally ashamed of smiling, laughing, because teeth is very important. In the life of a person. So heads off to these dentists for bringing back the smile on the faces of lakhs of people who are suffering from any kind of tooth disease.